I eat, I sleep, I poop. Poop. Good job, Copy Co. Good job. All right, everybody. Today we are in Amlan. It is Sunday afternoon. It is around 12 p.m. and we are at Escosa's beach resort. And if you're looking to have a function or to just get away during a brownout, this is actually a pretty nice place to go for the day. And they get the function area set up over there. I'm gonna check it out. It's actually, and here's the prices: children 50 pesos, adults 100, 5 to 10 p.m. 75, 150. They got a pool, they got a beach. What's really nice is they're not blasting the music high, smoke free, because a lot of people aren't smoking anymore, which is good. They also got some cool swings if you're a swinger. And if you're in the Philippines, you're a swinger. I don't know what this is. Maybe it's like a little hotel room. They got a pool. Looks like there's a bar off in the distance. It's 12 p.m. People are already taking advantage of the pool. Because again, this is a party. This is a celebration. It's Peter's birthday. He's like 175 years old today. And we are making the most of it, which means beer and good Filipino food. Now, I know I'm babbling, but one of the really nice things about this place is how cool it is right here on the water. We're right across, this is the Tanon Strait, T-A-N-O-N Strait, between Negros Oriental and Cebu. I see Cebu over there. And the breeze coming off the water is just really nice. They got a nice beach here. It's kind of grayish sand, I guess. It's not that crushed up dolomite that they just put all over Manila Bay that's going to be washed back out to sea in a couple weeks. But it's functional, it serves its purpose. There's also a marine sanctuary out there. So we're going to do a little bit of snorkeling later on. And they got some lounge chairs. They got people setting up.
There's a reef out there, man.
Yeah, there's a reef. I'm going to check it out. Because I'm all about the reefer. Yeah, oh, the reefer. And again, they're just setting up. It's supposed to be a surprise party for Peter. I don't know how this is gonna work out. I don't even know where he is. I know his wife's here, she's right there. And she's creeping around with gifts. We got gifts too. We got a bottle of wine, which was a quest and a story unto itself. We're also gonna be having a buffet. Yeah, a buffet. And it looks like we got lechon, of course. This is the Philippines, so you always have to have lechon. Chichai is, well, thank you. Hey, mabuhay. This is how you do it. I didn't even ask for this. Thank you. Chichai is over there breastfeeding. She's serving her function at the function. And this is a really nice place. The landscaping is really nice. It's clean, it's serene. They got a little hammock over there. I don't know how comfortable it is because it's made of bamboo slats. But we'll have to experiment around with that a little bit. But again, if you're looking to have a nice function, this is probably the place to do it. Again, Sunday afternoon. It's somewhat quiet around here. It's nice. Yeah, and I'll try to find out some more information on these little apartments, because you can see there's a unit right there. And this would be nice to wake up to in the morning. Just walk out your patio. Well, not a patio, but your grassio, because it's grass. They also got split type inverters, gotta love that. I'm already a convert to this place. It's cool. Let's go see Chichai. How you doing? You need me?
No.
You know why? Because I can't lactate. Alright.
Your boobs are useless.
I have useless boobs. I have prodigious boobs, man boobs, but they just don't work. I eat, I sleep, I poop. Poop. The wheels on the bus go round and round. What's that other song you got stuck in my head? Shitty badinka-dinka-doo, stupid song. I like big butts and I cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny. Alright, let's take a gander around, see what's happening here. We're still waiting for the birthday boy to make his appearance. But that's okay because there's free beer. I just gotta be somewhat careful because I am the driver. Let's go check out these pretty panais right here. Hello, ladies. YouTube. Got some YouTube here. Good afternoon. All right. There's another party going on over here. We won't get too close. Let's go down the beach. I just saw that there's a little gate here. It's a revolving gate, so I might have a hard time with this. And again, I'm gonna go out in a little bit, do some snorkeling. Go see if we can find some murderous Titan triggerfish, the most dangerous animals around here. And who knows, we might see some turtles or some sharks. Like to see another shark. Yeah, let's go down this little causeway. Looks like there used to be a little dock at the end of this. The vagaries of time have taken that down. Again, this is the Philippines, so we got some plastic bags. In case you need a plastic bag, there's always one available. Yeah, it used to be a dock. Not no more. Oh, there's a dude over there. Oh, what's he doing? Fishing probably. Or peeing. Oh, there's a cool, I like that over there, huh? That's rod sleep. And so yeah, this is what it looks like from the water. It's got a lot of good shade. God, I like that. This isn't too far from Paradise. There's another place you can go during brownouts and stuff for the day to get away. There's the further part north of Negros Oriental, which turns into Negros Occidental over there. And there's a fishing boat pulling another fishing boat. And yeah, gonna hit the water in a little bit. Gonna have to put on lots of sunscreen. First world problems. First world problems. Where's your husband? That's a young birthday boy.
Oh, it's not coming.
He's not coming? Alright, let's drink the beer. And we got these party things that when you twist them, they blow out like confetti. It's all fun and games until somebody loses an eyeball. Shanky da dink a doo. I love you. Don't pop it over anybody's tables or anything. It's okay, honey. What could possibly go wrong? Okay, let's see if anybody's gonna do happy birthday. Happy birthday! We completely surprised him. He didn't see all the old white people hanging around, which totally gave it away. There goes the mix. Oh, honey, you're trying to murder young Peter. Honey, careful. G-Jack's just blowing it off in his face. Oh my God, honey. You gotta be careful. You can take an eyeball out with that stuff. Were you surprised? Oh, good. All right, yeah. All the old white people we hid so you couldn't see us.
Yeah, we hid behind these big trees.
Yeah, we hid behind the trees.
So we keep spare fuses.
Because if he sees old white people, he'll know what's up. Oh, what's this? What is this? Let's go check this out. Oh, it's a fruit display. Pineapples and grapes, mango slices. Look at this. It's a veritable work of art. I have a feeling Peter got a lot of bottles of wine for his birthday. Just a feeling. Now everybody's in the process of filming the food before they eat the food. Yes. Yes. We're gonna do the presentation of the baby. We're sacrificing our daughter to Peter for Peter's birthday. There's the baby.
He gets out of the house quite a bit. He does exercise.
Yours?
Yeah.
Oh, congratulations.
Hers actually. I didn't do that much effort into it.
I know, but you know.
I had all the fun.
3 minutes of fun, 18 years of responsibility.
That's right. Lifetime.
Oh yeah, it goes on beyond that.
Does he look like that or me?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, that's a safe answer.
Man, he's a diplomat. Oh, he got
I didn't do that much effort into it. 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 And I would assume that's a rugby ball.
Yeah, rugby, not a football.
Wales Rugby League.
Happy 175th birthday. Get a real phone, Ernie.
Huh?
Get a real phone.
Why?
Because that thing sucks.
Hey, come on.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. All right, here we go. They're lining up. It's gonna get crazy. It's about to get really ugly. This is gonna go fast. Let's keep an eye on this, people. Keep an eye on the lechon. Keep an eye on the lechon. It's gonna go fast. We should do a time lapse on it. Zoe, what do you want?
Lechon.
Lechon. Boobie.
I want the
Lechon boobie. It's like a lechon baboy, but it's lechon boobie.
Boobie.
Just want boobs. Give me the boobs.
She's doing a tiger look.
She is tiger look, yeah. She's looking very concerned. She's like, nobody's in line for the lechon yet. The lechon is not quite naked yet, but that's okay. So we got rice, we got other Filipino stuff, more Filipino stuff, more Filipino stuff, and broccoli. And of course chop suey. And all the desserts are over there. And there's the poor little lechon. We appreciate your sacrifice, little piggy. Look at that crackling skin. Look at that crackling skin. Alright, so our festivities come to an end with a beautiful rainbow over there. It looks like there's a pot of gold in Bato and the island of Cebu. So we'd like to give thanks to the rainbow. We'd like to give thanks to Peter and his wonderful wife Neng for inviting us. We'd like to give thanks to the pig, which everybody ate pretty quickly. And it doesn't look like they were too crazy about it because there's actually leftovers. I'd like to give thanks to Janice for being auntie and an ate and a yaya. I'd like to give thanks to my wife for putting up with me for the last year. Special thanks to Zoe Catherine for not screaming or crying.
Just having a tiger look.
Just having a tiger look the whole time. And we'll see you next time on My Philippine Dreams. Be well, everybody. Puppies, rainbows, and unicorns for all. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.